Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Ram 1500 faster. Let's start with some foundational upgrades that can significantly boost your truck's performance. A cold air intake allows your engine to breathe better, while a performance tuner can unlock hidden horsepower by optimizing your truck's computer. Upgrading to a cat-back exhaust system improves exhaust flow and gives your Ram a more aggressive sound. Consider a throttle body spacer for enhanced airflow and quicker throttle response. Ready for more serious power? Forced induction, such as a supercharger, can dramatically increase your Ram 1500 horsepower, potentially adding hundreds of horsepower. Upgrading your camshaft can optimize valve timing for greater engine output. Installing long tube headers improves exhaust gas scavenging, further enhancing performance. Don't forget upgraded fuel injectors to ensure your engine receives enough fuel to support these significant power gains. Getting power to the ground efficiently is crucial. Consider higher gear ratios to improve your truck's acceleration. An upgraded torque converter can enhance power transfer from the engine to the wheels. For better handling and a more controlled ride, especially at higher speeds, invest in performance shocks and springs. Lighter wheels also play a role by reducing unsprung weight, which improves overall responsiveness and acceleration. To truly maximize and maintain your Ram 1500 speed, consistent maintenance is key. Regular service ensures your engine runs at its best. Using premium fuel can prevent engine knocking and optimize combustion, especially with performance modifications. For the safest and most effective power gains, professional dyno tuning is essential, as it customizes settings for your specific setup. Finally, high-quality spark plugs are vital for efficient ignition and overall engine performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.